the immeasurable expanses of the universe. People have always been fascinated by the secrets of the cosmos. How did everything begin? Where do we come from? These are the big questions of mankind, just like the question about mankind itself. Who are we? How does the fantastic machine, the human being, work? Our senses, our body, our brain. To find out what holds the world together, we need people with vision. People who can think the unthinkable. The most creative brains of our time need the best research instruments. And we need committed team players who put the complex business of scientific research in motion and organize it. All that comes together here at Desy, the Deutsches Elektronensynchrotron, a research center of the Helmholtz Association. Desy in Hamburg was founded 50 years ago. The site at Zeuthen near Berlin was later added as one of the success stories of German reunification. At Desy, researchers from all over the world are pursuing one single objective: to unravel the secrets of matter. To do this, Desy develops and builds gigantic supermicroscopes, the particle accelerators. They use the special light from these accelerator systems to make processes in the nanocosmos visible. In particle physics, they unravel the smallest building blocks of matter and the fundamental forces of nature. Situated deep underground in Hamburg lies the more than 6-kilometer long circular tunnel of Hera. This revolutionary particle accelerator has written scientific history. For 15 years, this is where electrons and protons circulated in opposite directions until they smashed into each other. From the high-energy particles that were released in these collisions, scientists gained revolutionary new insights into the smallest building blocks of matter and the fundamental forces of nature. Yet new insights always raise entirely new questions. The future of particle physics has only just begun. The experience and knowledge gained in the past 5 decades make Desy an essential partner in the biggest international research projects. One of these is the new Large Hadron Collider, LHC, at CERN in Geneva. Here, protons collide with as yet unparalleled energies. This opens up the possibility of entirely new insights into the origin of the universe. Desy also plays a leading role in one of the most ambitious future projects in physics, the International Linear Collider, ILC. The planned World Accelerator makes it possible to carry out precise measurements which will come very close to cracking the big secrets of the universe. At the Zeuthen site, Desy conducts research in astroparticle physics to figure out the secrets of star explosions or cosmic particle accelerators. To do this, together with an international team, they are constructing the biggest particle detector in the world, deep in the ice of the South Pole, the neutrino telescope IceCube. The basis of top-level research at Desy is the know-how and the experience gained in decades of the development, construction and operation of specially designed accelerator systems. Know-how that's being used today to build the accelerators of tomorrow. Groundbreaking is the superconducting accelerator technology that Desy developed in cooperation with international partners. Cavities, technical masterpieces made of ultra-pure niobium, are at the core of the latest generation of superconducting accelerators, which speed electrons up to close to the speed of light. High-tech is also incorporated in the undulators, magnetic obstacle courses of the highest precision that force the electrons to emit the desired X-ray light. But particle accelerators are not only used in particle physics, they're also fantastic sources of highly intensive X-ray light and thus form the basis for research with photons, the third focus of activity at Desy. These are Desy's light sources, Doris 3, Petra 3 and Flash. What you see above ground is mainly their experiment halls. Almost all the particle racetracks are hidden underground. These particle accelerators are super microscopes with which the researchers can penetrate into ever tinier dimensions, deep into the microcosmos, and the nano world. There they find completely new, fascinating possibilities. In medicine, for example, new kinds of medicines can be developed when biomolecules and their interplay can be deciphered exactly, atom by atom. Or in materials research, new light materials for the aircraft of tomorrow are examined and analyzed with Desy's light sources. Even the world of art and culture benefits from the special light, which is able to unveil the hidden layers of a Vincent van Gogh painting. The possible applications of Desy's accelerators are unique. Thus, it's obvious why scientists and companies from all over the world come to Hamburg to test new methods, to develop innovative instruments and products, and to set up entirely new fields of research. Characteristic of the inspiring open research atmosphere at Desy are the international partnerships, such as that with the European Molecular Biology Laboratory. International cooperation also marks the next challenge that the Desy researchers are taking up right now, the European XFEL, the European X-ray laser. With the help of the XFEL, it will soon be possible to film the microcosmos. It will enable researchers to practically watch nature at work. A prerequisite for the European XFEL are revolutionary technologies that were largely developed at Desy. In particular, the superconducting accelerators and new types of electron sources. Successful research work with the complex equipment of modern physics is only feasible with the enormous resource of human thinking. People with the most diverse professions and skills from such different fields as technology, administration and research have to work together towards a common goal. And nothing works without efficient organization, such as Desy's. A precondition for advances in research is an intensive exchange of ideas with other creative brains. The international meetings and conferences held at Desy offer the ideal platform for this. Research is exciting. Children learn this firsthand in the Desy School Lab. Here, many girls and boys sense for the first time that science can be fun and that anyone may be a future researcher. True researchers don't call it a day at 5 p.m. just like these Desy students, postgraduates and technicians. In the evening, they continue to discuss the results of the day and the next thrilling projects. Research is their life, and in their thoughts, they are already far away in the depths of space, probing the secrets of the universe.